Alright, what is up, YouTube squad, YouTube gang? You already know it's your boy JD, and we back with another video. Yo, so in the last video, Jadon got me with the little Melly prank or whatever. So this time we just bought, well, we didn't buy, but we had this truck and we just got like a lot of work done on it because it been messing up. The fuel pump been messing up, like the front of it. So we spent like $450 on it to get it fixed last week. So today I'm gonna act like that it's like finna explode or like it's on fire. We got this little fog machine and we ain't used it since we got it, and we got it like 4 months ago. So I'm gonna use that to make it look like that it's on fire, and we're gonna get that reaction. So go ahead, like, comment, and if you're not a part of this, go ahead and subscribe. Man, I'm telling you, we're cranking out videos all 2019. Let's get it. All right, so y'all already went on ahead and popped that top, and as y'all can see, you know, it look a little old. You feel me? You feel me? So I'm gonna come around here and I'm gonna press this button. Let that fog come up. Make that fog come up. And boom, we gonna get ourselves some smoke. Get ourselves some smoke. Bet. Alright, see y'all in a minute. Alright, so we finna get this boy reaction. Hey man, I might look a little rough, you know, cause you know I was finna go to the gym this morning, put in that work or whatever. Just woke up. It's a nice day. So yeah, we finna get this reaction. Let's get it. Let's go. Oh, man. Shit look a little
Really, nigga?
weird. Hey, Jadon, come here. Jadon, come here real quick. Bro, I do not know what I just heard, but it's like a sizzling sound going on. A what? Like, but you know, like when the truck went start and it was that sizzling sound when we first got it fixed. Yeah, I just popped the top because this keeps sizzling. Like, I don't know how we're gonna go to the gym. I hope it ain't messed up again because I ain't paying no. Shit, we paid about $400 to get this whole fixed. That better be right. What you doing? That's probably why it ain't probably got no water in there. So let me look under here and see what the fuck going on. You try, bro. What you mean sizzling? Oh shit! Oh, what the fuck? Bro, what the? Bro! Bro, are you serious, bro? Bro! Bro! Call somebody! What is you doing? What do you mean call somebody? Oh my God, bro! What are we supposed to do? Oh shit, bro! Bro, we just paid $400-something, bro. Hell no! Oh my gosh, bro. We can't try to crank that bitch. That bitch probably gonna blow up. Hell yeah. This shit hot. Damn, this shit hot as fuck. Bro, oh my God. Bro, what we gonna do? Bro, I gotta go get my license. I gotta go get my other copy of my license today. Bro, we can't drive this, bro. We cannot drive this. What the Try to crank it. Dude, no. Bro, you just see what happened? It's gonna blow up. Bro, fuck no. Bro, no. Oh my fucking God. Bro, you tripping. Oh my fucking God. Bro. No, stop. No, stop. Bro. Damn, bro. This shit is ridiculous. Bro, what did you do to it? Alright, man. Say I didn't get you. This prank was lame. Y'all already know I'm coming back. Like, share, comment, man. Like, y'all already know I'm coming back. Hard and strong. Shit was weak. Oh, I couldn't tell. It's smoking. Weak ass boy. Hey, man. Y'all already know what's going on. We coming back strong. FBT. Yeah, man. We gonna start cranking these videos out. Because my boy finna get ready to leave. We're gonna try to post every day. Finna try to post every day, man. Y'all run it up. Share our video. 1K. By the end of the week. Let's go.
Nigga, yeah.
All right, what we say get this like to? I say get this prank 50 likes.
100.
No, 50 likes. 50 likes. 50 likes.
Because we got over 100 likes. 100 likes.
All right. Oh, no. Get this prank. If y'all want to see some more pranks, get this to 50 likes.
100.
We ain't asking that much of y'all.
100.
50.
100.
All right, man. Get us to 1K.
FBT.
You feel me?
Squad.
All right, we out.